You are welcome to this discussion, and in this video, I am going to share with you free online file converters. That is, if you are a video editor, photo editor, graphic designer, or just a regular office person who would like to convert from Microsoft Word documents to a PDF, or from Excel to PDF, or even if you want to merge different PDF together, this video is for you. The reason why you will enjoy this video is that it will help to increase your productivity. And the good thing is that all the free online tools that I am going to showcase with you today are all free to use. My name is Pat Ugu. If this is the first time you are seeing my video, kindly subscribe so that it will help me to grow my channel. I have a lot of viewers who are not subscribers. Please click on the like button so that YouTube will also recommend this video to many others. If you are ready, let's dive in. Turning onto my computer, the very first file conversion tool we are going to use is known as TinyWow. TinyWow is a very popular tool that you can use to convert file from one type to another. For example, the PDF option helps you to convert from PDF to Word or from JPG, that is image, to PDF. You can also use it to merge PDF files. And there are so many other options you can use TinyWow to do. If you come down to this place, you will see other options. If you want to work on PDF or you want to work on different image tools or video tools, good thing is that TinyWow also now added AI Writer tool. You can also work on other file types. Again, TinyWow also have up to 1 million active users. And there are about 10 million files already converted. TinyWow proud itself to have up to 200 online tools, and about 500,000 PDF files have been converted using TinyWow. If you would like to use TinyWow, I'll put the link in the description box below. But if you don't want to use TinyWow, I have another tool that can help you to convert PDF files. It is known as PDF Gear. The PDF Gear is a free software. I will put the link in the description box if you would like to download it. Using PDF Gear, you can convert PDF to Word or PDF to PNG or even compress PDF files or merge them. You will also have option to split PDF file using PDF Gear. Okay, now let's go to number 2 file conversion tool. The number 2 file conversion tool is known as Cloud Convert. Cloud Convert has an image converter that you can use to convert from different images such as PNG, JPG, GIF, or even WebP. Sometimes you will visit something like Google to download image, and you will notice that the image you downloaded is in WebP, meaning that you may not be able to use it even in PowerPoint or any other tool. So if you have such image, you can come to Cloud Convert and convert it to any other file type. You can choose to convert it to PNG or JPG or even to GIF. All you will need to do is to select the file here and then choose the file type you want to convert it to. Again, if you don't want to use online option, you have this option here known as GIMP. GIMP is an image manipulation program. With GIMP, you can convert to different image options of your choice. GIMP is also free to download. I will also put the downloading link in the description box below. Now, the third online file converter tool we are going to look at is Audio File Converter. And the tool we'll be using is Convertio. Convertio.co, that is the URL. I'll put the link in the description box. Using Convertio, you can convert to different file options, something like AAC, AIFF, FLAC, MP3, WAV, WMA, and so on. So if your audio file cannot play with your software, you may need to convert it to other file option. So just come to convertio.co and upload the file here and then choose your desired file type. And the final one is Video Converter. For Video Converter, we'll be using FreeConvert. With FreeConvert, you can convert your video from different file type to MP4, MOV, MKV, and so on. All you will need to do is to upload the file here. You can upload it from your device or from Dropbox or even from Google Drive. Once you do that, you choose your conversion file type. Here are the steps that you will need to follow in order to do this. And in case you don't want to use online option, you can also use a free software known as Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a free video editor tool. You can download it and use it for your file conversion. For example, if I come to project here and click on render, you will see different file type you can convert to GIF, MP4, even audio only. I will also put the link to Kdenlive in my description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to share the video with your loved ones. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so. I also have another video that I taught how to reduce video file size. The video is popping up now. Until next time, keep learning.